Now you know. Well, if you have a front-loading washing machine, chances are that you've probably had some pretty funky smells that come from it at some point. It's very annoying.
It is. It is. Consumers have sued, actually, several manufacturers, claiming design defects do not allow the machines to dry out, and that causes the mold, they say, to grow inside. Our consumer expert, Amy Davis, is explaining how you may be able to get some cash if you've noticed that problem.
Yeah, so we first told you about this problem 3 years ago, whenever this lawsuit was first filed. It's taken it that long to go through the court system. Well, now you need to file a claim if you want to collect some cash or get reimbursed for repairs to your machine.
Thousands of front-loading washing machines are included in this class action. Some Kenmore, Maytag, and Whirlpool models made between 2001 and 2010.
They have all these little cracks and crevices in the boot.
Bill Anderson of Bill Anderson Services repairs front-loading washers. He says the complaint about moldy smells from the machines is a legitimate gripe.
Some of the manufacturers made it without the holes to drain the boot, and then they had to go back and change the design to do that.
To avoid further litigation and court costs, the manufacturers have agreed to settle the case by offering customers either a $50 cash payment, a cash rebate of either 20% or 5% off the retail purchase of a new washing machine or dryer, or reimbursement of up to $500 for out-of-pocket expenses for washer repairs or replacements because of a mold or odor problem.
Now, to get any of those, you have to file a claim online no later than October 11th. We've posted a link on click2houston.com where you can do that. It's in the consumer section of our website. Then a judge will next decide if the settlement is fair. And then if he or she says it is, then they can go ahead with processing these payments out to everybody.
It's so frustrating.
I know.
It's been since day one.
And $50 won't fix the odor.
No.
But for your troubles, leave the door open. I mean, you know, I need to do a whole story just on what to do.
Exactly. Ah, there you go. 'Cause I've seen some things that are kind of like the homemade remedies.
Remedies, right.
Let's see if those actually work.
Yeah.
Our next SNR TV Tuesday. Thanks, Amy.
Thanks.